2 hours I'll be traveling back home to visit my parents. Now this is not an ordinary trip. I'll be going back to Siberia. 15-hour flight to Moscow, and then there's 4 hours to get to my hometown called Железногорsk, which is about an hour away from Krasnoyarsk. It takes about 24 hours to get there with all the transfers, long flights, changing from international to a domestic airline as well. Now, I'm flying from Orlando International Airport to New York, and from New York to Moscow, and from Moscow I'm flying back to Krasnoyarsk. My parents are gonna pick me up and we're gonna go to my hometown. The town where I'm from is not an ordinary town. For a long time, it's been a closed city. Not everyone knew that the city even existed, and for a matter of fact, it wasn't even on Google Maps till about 2006 or so. To get into the town, you have to have a special pass, kind of like customs. You either have to be born there, have relatives there, or someone has to invite you. And if you are invited, you're only allowed to stay there for 10 days. Why is this city so special? Back in 1940s, maybe 50s, they built a nuclear reactor underneath the mountain. They were doing some top secret nuclear stuff, and the facility that stores used nuclear fuel. You might know that city by its flag, which became famous after 99% Invisible podcast. This guy right here, design I made myself. Let's go. Alright, all packed up. Let's go catch those planes. Originally my flight was delayed by 3 hours, but it just changed back to only an hour delay, so it looks like I think I'm gonna make my connection. Flight number 1.
About this town, you gotta pack some heat. This here is the pole position strip club. You might want to drop in sometime. Local gun shops a couple of blocks away. Local gun shops a couple of blocks away.
also super early. Yeah, just gonna hang out for a little bit, just took a shower finally, and it'll be good. Alright, day 1 or 2 actually, but finally got some good sleep. We're at our garden just outside the city. It's cool. Nothing special. Everything is very small and super simple around here. It's different. I forgot how it is, and it's very simple. Nothing crazy. Parents are working around the yard, pulling weeds and picking up some berries, cucumbers, tomatoes, all kind of stuff. I flew my drone for a little bit here, and funny story is that I'm not exactly sure what the laws are, especially in this town, being closed down, having the customs and all that. I don't know what the rules of flying a drone, so I'm kind of a little bit sketched out, but I'm still doing it. We'll see if it gets confiscated after everything, but so far so good. I'm trying to be kind of inconspicuous. I'm gonna show you around here, and yeah, I'm just gonna chill. River. There's an old church over there. I think it's the church that made with no nails, but there's no ferry anymore, and there's no bridge, so you have to drive all the way around to get to it. So we'll see if we have time to do that. But anyway, so here's the river. Big. I'm gonna fly around a little bit and see if we can get any cool footage.
One thing you gotta realize about this town, you gotta pack some heat. One thing you gotta realize about this town, you gotta pack some heat.